Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to show recent post using WP Responsive Post Slider plugin. By the way, you can also use recent post widget to show recent post. Just drag and drop the recent post widget to a widget area, then you can change the settings and click save. You can also show recent post to any post or pages. Just click on the plus sign, search for the latest post, click on the latest post. Then you can customize these settings and update the post, but the default WordPress widget will just show the title of your post without featured image. To create a recent post slider or carousel, you need to download the plugin. Go to the plugins, click add new, then search for the recent post. I will show you steps using this plugin. You can also use this plugin, but this plugin does not have slider or carousel setting. After installing and activating this plugin, you will see an option on your dashboard, recent post slider. Click on this option. Now you can use these two shortcodes to show recent post slider or carousel on your website. And you can also go to the plugins, install plugins. Click view details under the plugin. Scroll down, here you will see multiple shortcodes and guide to use shortcodes with different settings. You can use these shortcodes in the sidebar widget area or anywhere you want to show the recent post slider or carousel. Just copy the shortcode and paste wherever you want to show the recent post. And you can also insert the template code directly into the theme file. Let's see how you can do this. Copy this code, close this window, go to the appearance, theme editor. Remember to use a child theme for any customization. Select the theme from this drop-down menu. I am going to insert the code into the header. Do not insert the code at the top. Scroll down to the bottom, paste the code. Now let's say you want to use a different design. Go to the plugin page, copy this code and paste it here. Now I will change the design code to 3, so it will show the third design. Click update file. Now go to your website and refresh the page. As you can see, the slider is working properly. Now let's say you want to add space between the header and the slider. Go to your dashboard. Open and close a bracket. Type br/ inside the bracket. Remember to add this code before the recent post slider code because you want to add the space before the slider. Now go back to the website and refresh the page. As you can see, the code has added the space between the header and the slider. Now let's say you want to show slider into the footer area. So go back to your dashboard. Copy the code, select the footer.php file, and this time you want to show the slider before the footer. So this time, paste the code at the top and click update file. Now go back to the website and refresh the page. As you can see, the code is working properly. Now let's say you want to show the slider before the comment box. So go back to your dashboard, select the comment.php file, paste the code at the top, click update file. Now go back to your website and refresh the page. As you can see, the code is working properly. You can also use the carousel code instead of the slider code. Just copy this code and paste it here. Click update file. Now go back to the website and refresh the page. As you can see, the code is working properly. If you want to show slider or carousel in the sidebar, post or pages, then you can just add the shortcode instead of editing the theme file. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.